etrack is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. etrack is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to etrack that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the etrack mini cargo tie-down plate from Mytee Products. This portable tie-down anchor can be mounted on the floor of your truck, van, trailer, garage, or just about anywhere. It features 2 slots compatible with E and A-track accessories and stud holes for F and L-track items. It's an easy way to place an anchor point just about anywhere. It's constructed from strong, durable 12-gauge steel. Let's step out and show you how you can use our mini cargo tie-down plate to secure some cargo. Installation is easy and quick. Simply drill it into place where you need it. Today, we'll be securing these boxes using a ratchet strap, a roller idler, and the mini cargo tie-down plate. Place your strap into an etrack slot and wrap it over your cargo. Here we are using a roller idler to bring the tension of the straps closer to the boxes for a more secure fit. Feed the strap through the roller. Now feed the strap into the ratchet. Ratchet down the strap and boom, your cargo is secure. The beauty of the etrack mini cargo tie-down plate is you can easily install it wherever you need, then uninstall and place it elsewhere. You can mount E, A, F, and L track accessories all with just one simple plate. Sometimes you just need a temporary anchor point in a convenient spot, and this mini cargo plate gives you just that. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your etrack mini cargo tie-down plate from Mytee Products. While you're there, browse our wide array of etrack and etrack accessories.